Outlining your perfect YouTube sales funnel for 2020. Hey there everyone! These past training lessons have walked you through the manual strategies that are going to get you started on the right foot. And now, we're about to get into the brainy stuff. The strategies that will help you plan, improve, optimize, and scale. And we are going to start by teaching you how to outline the perfect YouTube sales funnel for 2020. In this lesson, you'll learn how to develop a funnel according to your content efforts, and what types of videos you'll have to produce to move each viewer into your funnel. Step number 1. Identify goals and set stages. It is important to identify what the goals of a sales funnel are, and to set them in order before you set up the stages in your funnel. In this training, we're focusing on driving sales and making profit, yet the majority of your business leads won't move right into the bottom of the funnel, ready to make a purchase. That is why it is vital to establish different goals to capture leads at different stages. You have to see the sales funnel as an inverse pyramid that goes from top to bottom. On top are the leads that are less likely to convert, the leads that may not even be aware of your brand, and that you have to suck in. In the middle are the leads that are aware of your brand and are interested in your offer. And in the bottom are the leads that are ready to get their hands on your product. Let's establish goals for each stage in the funnel. At the top of the funnel, your goal is to drive awareness. That is, awareness about your brand or your product or your service. The intention is for the user to become aware that you exist, regardless of their desire to consume what you offer. At the middle of the funnel, your goal is to drive interest and consideration. Once a lead sees you as a trustworthy authority, they'll keep hanging around, watching your videos, either because you are a trusted source of information or because your products offer a real way to solve an issue or need in their life. Notice that at this point, you can also drive desire. This means that the lead is not only considering your product, but is actively desiring your product. Yet there is an objection stopping the lead from taking action, such as price, or maybe they need to learn more about the product before making a purchase. Finally, at the bottom of the funnel, the goal is to drive action. This is when a lead is ready to convert by signing up for a trial or making a purchase. Step number 2. Make a content audit. The next step is to audit your channel to make a content inventory. What you'll do at this point is to check the content that you have in your channel and to take notes about the different types of videos that you have produced. And you are going to analyze how each video can help a lead move from one stage to another. Doing this will help you to better identify at what point of the YouTube content life cycle you are in. For example, you might find that you have more videos that are simply optimized to help people find your videos on YouTube, but that don't push your brand or products too much. Or you may find that you have lots of videos that are centered on your products and that are designed to put viewers in the mood for purchasing. By taking inventory of the different videos you have, you can fine-tune your content strategy to match the goals you need to achieve at each stage of the funnel. In other words, you can find out how many videos you have to create to have an equal number of videos for each stage. This is especially helpful if you're just getting started. Step number 3. Plan your content mix for each stage of the funnel. By this point, you know the mindset that will push viewers into each stage in a YouTube sales funnel, and you have a clearer idea of the type of content that you need to produce to balance things out. But to properly balance your content mix, you have to apply a content split for each stage in the funnel, and we found out this to be the perfect content split for your mix. 40% of content for the top of the funnel. This means that 40% of your content has to be intended to reach leads. In other words, search-friendly videos that are not necessarily about your brand, but about entertaining things that your audience likes. 40% of content for the middle of the funnel. This means that another 40% of your content will be intended to showcase your products in a context that is familiar to your audience, using storytelling techniques. 20% of content for the bottom of the funnel. This means that the last 20% of your content will be intended to encourage your viewers to take action, or at the very least, to find your product videos if they're actively researching them. And that's it, folks. You can design an agency-level sales funnel for your YouTube business in 3 simple steps, guaranteed. Are you curious about what types of videos work best for YouTube business and which ones perform best for each stage in the funnel? Then tune in to the following lessons. What is YouTube all about? Hey there, everyone! We'd like to congratulate you on your decision to take up this course and to thank you for choosing us as your guide. This is an immense opportunity for you to learn the ultimate strategies that'll help you scale your online marketing efforts and grow your business on YouTube, the most popular video streaming platform on the internet. We've created this course to help you discover all the ways in which you can use YouTube to make more money. We've spent a lot of time on the platform, and we've uncovered the best proven methods to monetize it beyond ad revenue. To kickstart your journey, we'd like to start with the basics. What is YouTube? YouTube is, on the surface, an entertainment-centric platform. It is designed to make it easy for common people to find the type of video content that they enjoy, and to stream it seamlessly from any device wherever they go. This entertainment model is a modernized spin of the traditional TV format, and it is always online. This means that YouTube provides people from all around the world with 24/7 access to plenty of video content for free. Yet, this unlimited access to free video content 24/7 is fueled by brands, businesses, creators, and personalities that are benefiting from uploading their video content to YouTube. That's right, folks. The YouTube platform is open for creators that are willing to feed the platform with quality content in exchange to access an always online global audience for their products and services. How does it work? YouTube works because the platform provides an open window for consumers to find quality content and for brands and businesses to find the right audience whom to promote their offers. The methods to monetize these audiences are varied and extraordinarily effective, but the business model works like this. YouTube lets people and brands to join and use the platform for free. Brands, business, creators, and personalities produce quality content and upload it to the platform. People look for content they like, find the videos produced by brands in their niche, and start getting familiar with those brands. The higher the quality of the content, the more people start considering those brands. Brands output videos on a consistent basis and start growing their audience. Once those brands grow an engaged audience and build trust, they start to use monetization strategies that encourage people to spend money on products sold or promoted by those brands. Brands start making money and can scale their efforts. Why should you consider YouTube for business? Many people don't think of YouTube as a platform for business. But you can see results and profits pretty quickly if you do it right. And you don't have to be famous or to have a large budget for that. The main advantage of YouTube for business is that it lets you leverage all your efforts from a single platform. For starters, it lets you show and build your brand's personality through videos. Long gone are the days of building awareness one image at a time. On YouTube, you can demonstrate your expertise in your niche. This means that you can produce videos to educate potential customers about the problems they face, using your products or services as assistants. This, in turn, allows you to also showcase your products and services, their benefits, their features, and everything that makes them different from what's offered by the competition, all without being salesy. On YouTube, you also have a platform to broadcast special occasions, such as in-store events, conferences, and much more. You can also use it to run webinar-style presentations and to interact with your audience in real time. YouTube also has a self-serving advertising solution that allows you to promote your content and offers. It has some of the best rates around and gives you hyper-targeting features that will help you reach and convert the perfect customer. Additionally, YouTube helps you reduce overhead costs and the complexity of running an online business by providing you with a platform where you can host your video content for free. What's the future for YouTube business? Businesses on YouTube can look to a bright future because the number of active users on the platform is increasing year by year. Technologies such as 360 video, augmented reality, and virtual reality are going to enhance the user experience, and businesses can leverage that to better showcase their products and services. Also, content marketing and brand sponsorship are becoming the most effective strategies to drive sales, and YouTube is the perfect environment to develop and run them. Are you ready to learn what it takes to get the most out of YouTube business in 2020? Yes? We're glad you are, because we're going to get started in the following lesson. Creating a customer retargeting campaign on YouTube. Alright folks, we're nearing the end of this journey, so we've saved a big strategy for last. In this lesson, we are going to show you how to retarget potential customers that have interacted with your videos and your channel on YouTube. Getting started. You can create a customer retargeting campaign on YouTube by adding viewers that have shown interest in your product and sales videos to a retargeting list. This way, you can retarget them with more content from your channel until they convert. For this, start on your Google Ads dashboard, and from there, click on the Tools and Settings option in the top bar menu. Then click on the Audience Manager option. Creating the retargeting list and launching the campaign. This will take you to the remarketing section of the Audience Manager, where you can create your retargeting list. Start by clicking on the plus icon. Next, click on the YouTube Users option from the display menu. Now you can start setting up the list. First, enter the name of your new list into the Audience Name field. Now click on the List Members menu button. Here you can select which users to retarget according to how they interact with your videos or your channel. You can retarget people that viewed any or certain videos from your channel, people who viewed any or certain videos as ads, people who subscribed or visited your channel page, people who have liked your videos, people who have added videos from your channel to a playlist, and people who have shared a video from your channel. The best strategy here is to select Viewed Any Video as an ad from a channel. This retargeting strategy allows you to retarget viewers who have completed viewing one of your video ads. This is a signal of interest and sometimes a purchasing intent. So retargeting these viewers will lead to a conversion after 5 or more retargeted videos. Next, click on the YouTube channel menu button and select your YouTube business channel from the list. The default pre-fill options and membership duration settings are optimal, so you can skip these settings for now. Our recommendation is for you to track the behavior of YouTube leads to reconfigure these settings later on. For example, if you find the majority of your leads convert after 15 days, then you can set your membership duration at 15 days. But you have to do this after several days of running your retargeting campaign. And now that you are done customizing the retargeting list, click on the Create button. And that's it. Now YouTube will add viewers that match your retargeting criteria to this list, and will show them more of your content to increase your sales. Creating a product consideration video ad for YouTube. Hey there, friends! Time to continue boosting your YouTube business video with ads. This time, through a campaign that is optimized with settings that encourage product consideration. In other words, we're about to show you how to create a YouTube ad that will convince buyers that your product is their best choice. Let's start off this lesson right from the Google Ads dashboard, where you can access by visiting the ads.google.com URL while logged into your Google account. Creating and customizing the campaign. From there, click on the New Campaign button. Now select Product and Brand Consideration as the campaign goal. Then select Video as a campaign type. Now select Influence Consideration as a campaign subtype, and then click on Continue. Now you are going to customize the campaign. Start by entering the name of this new campaign into the Campaign Name field. The rest of the campaign configurations will be similar to the configurations we made when we created the previous campaign. First, click on the Budget Type menu button and select Daily. Next, enter your daily ad spend into the Amount field. We are going to launch the campaign as soon as the ads are approved, so we'll skip the schedule in this example. OK, now click on the Languages tab to select your target languages. Next, click on the Locations tab to select your target locations. Now move to the Ad Group Name column and enter the name of your new ad group. Now you are going to move to the People section. Click on the Demographics tab to check your audience demographic attributes. Then click on the Audiences tab and add your audience's attributes. Here we strongly recommend that you select in-market attributes. This will help you to target viewers that are active online buyers, which are more likely to make a purchasing decision after watching your video ad. Next, move to the Content section and click on the Keywords tab. Enter your keywords and search terms into the Keywords field. Then click on the Topics tab and select the topics that you want to target with your ad. In case you want to target specific website visitors or viewers of a specific channel, click on the Placements tab. We are not going to pick specific placements, so we will skip this configuration. Lastly, enter your maximum cost per view bid into the Bidding field. Creating the product consideration ad and launching the campaign. Alright folks, time to set up the ad. Start by pasting your video URL into the Search for a Video field. For this type of campaign, we recommend you select Video Discovery Ad as the ad format. This will show your ad on more than one placement, including the YouTube homepage, on search results pages, and on recommended video feeds. That way, you'll avoid people skipping your video ad, while also giving them more time to consider clicking on the video. Now you are going to customize the ad and compose the ad copy. Start by selecting a thumbnail. Next, compose the ad headline in the Headline field. Next, compose a description into the Description Number 1 field. You can add a description extension into the Description Number 2 below, but this is optional. Then enter the ad name into the Ad Name field and click on the Create Campaign button. On the following page, review your campaign settings and click on Continue to Campaign. And that's it.